Alpha Waves is the brand new, laid-back, ambient flavoured sound pack for GarageBand on iOS. Packed full of lush textures, ephemeral pads and dreamy loops, this pack has everything you need to add a bit of depth and dimension to your tracks. Let's slowly and gently dive in. Ambient. I worry about myself sometimes. I really do. In the Alpha Waves sound pack, you will find over 50 ALCHEMY synth sounds and more than 140 Apple loops. Now that may seem like slim pickings to you, but this is definitely a case of quality over quantity. The 140 loops here sound pretty fantastic on their own. But really shine when you incorporate them into a full project. I found that they pair really well with stripped back versions of the percussion drummers in particular. As ever, it's the ALCHEMY patches that really make this pack shine. There is pretty much everything an ambient musician could ever want here, from delicate layered arpeggiators to blimmin' lovely lead sounds. And treacle thick pads. Again, whether you're using these sounds exclusively to create an all-encompassing, deep-as-hell sonic soundscape, or just plan to use a couple of sounds to pepper a little bit of ambient loveliness into your existing tracks, you really can't go wrong here. It's worth noting that this update is available to anyone running iOS 14 as well. Apple haven't gated this new content behind a mandatory update to iOS 15, which is probably a good thing, as we all know you definitely should not update to a new iOS version on day one. Right? 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 Please tell me you haven't. Apple have really upped their game when it comes to additional sounds lately, and Alpha Waves is no exception. Despite being fairly light on content when compared to other sound packs, these are some of the best sounds to ever come to GarageBand for iOS, and I can pretty much guarantee that you will love this sound pack as much as I do. And I bloody love it. speaking of new sounds, these ones are pretty great too, so give that a click and check them out.